When choosing the right alarm system for your home, many options exist. Depending on the size of your home and any other security needs, there could be a wide array of alarm systems suitable to protect your family and property. Professional alarm systems can be installed by experts and monitored off-site. In contrast, DIY wireless systems will require installation and setup by the homeowner but have some cost savings associated with them. Seeking professional advice and researching various alarm system options available on the market today may allow you to find what type is best suited for your particular needs. For more information, contact New Generation Home Pro Incorporated, Home Alarm and Camera Systems at 713-501-9985.